Hey, are you struggling to pay your debts or have a really low credit score? Maybe you've got a shocking credit report, right? And you've been looking for a way out. If this is the case, then I have got the exact formula to help you not only write off your debts by yourself, but also increase your credit score rapidly and tidy up that credit report in no time. And you can do this DIY style, okay? No third-party company needed. I mean, you can literally take back your power and your financial life all by yourself. All you gotta do is click the link above so that you can go and grab yourself a copy of the Get Your Credit ebook. Along with this, you will be given exact, tried and tested, proven to work letters to send off to your creditors so that you can begin the process and get your credit where you want it to be. Look, I went from a horrible credit score of 374 to being in the good to excellent range of 643, and I've done this in less than 6 months. No bankruptcy, no payment plans, no offers of token payments. All I did was apply the powerful tools that are all in the ebook along with the letters. Now, there's a little secret that these lenders don't want you to know about, okay? And some loopholes that mean you can write your debts off, increase your credit score rapidly, and have the life you've been dreaming of. The Get Your Credit ebook is not only going to help you get yourself out of debt, okay, it is going to help you create new and better habits when it comes to your finances. No matter who you are, what your current credit report looks like, I know that you can make some massive improvements, right? If you are willing to just take action, don't procrastinate, and be willing to challenge everything using the tried and tested methods. These are powerful tools. Just imagine if you start to get your credit journey right now, okay? What is your credit going to look like in 6 or 12 or even 24 months from now? Think about that. And then think about if you don't. Just saying. I really want to see you win, guys, okay? So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the right hand corner, bottom left of the screen, and go get your credit.